Hello mga ka-travel! Ngayon, iikutin natin ang 10 mga magandang destinasyon dito sa Pilipinas.
Cayo Crisologo, located in Bigan City, a UNESCO World Heritage City, and one of the new wondered city of the world. Cayo Crisologo is the most photographed and most popular tourist attraction in all of Ilocos Sur. Hills. The hills are located throughout the towns are Carmen, Butuan, and Sagbayan, and consist about 1,776 mounds of the same general shape. Boracay. Boracay is a tropical island surrounded by stunning white sand beaches and clear blue waters, located about an hour's flight from Cebu or Manila, just off the larger Philippine island of Panay. Coron Island. Coron is an island in the Calamian Island, in the province of Palawan, Philippines. It is located in Busuanga. There are beautiful and clean beaches, and the best way to explore by foot. Baler. Digasalarin Cove is a private white beach in Baler. Baler Aurora's piece of paradise famous for its white sand and crystal blue beach. Tagaytay, which is officially called the City of Tagaytay, is a component city in Cavite Province. Mines View Park. Mines View Park is located in Baguio City. It started out as an American mining town in the early 20th century, and one of its lasting attractions is Mines View Park. 100th Island. The 100th Island National Park is the first Philippine national park and a protected area located in Alaminos, Pangasinan. Mount Arayat. Mount Arayat is an isolated, potentially active stratovolcano in the Central Luzon Plains, Philippines, located within vast agricultural lands of Pampanga Province. Cagsawa Ruins. The ruins are currently located in Barangay Busay, Cagsawa, in the municipality of Daraga, Albay, Philippines.
At yun lang po mga ka-travel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Bye-bye!